So now that our pump is tight, what we're going to focus on next is tying up any other loose ends that we have before we drop the coils in. One of those loose ends is tightening our spark plugs. All right. For any shop that doesn't torque their spark plugs, you guys are doing shady work. You have to torque down spark plugs for a reason. The reason that they have to get torqued down is there is a crush ring or a seat on the bottom of that plug. If it isn't fully seated, you lose compression when the piston comes up. This causes you to lose horsepower, can cause you to have other major issues. It can even wreck valves or wreck other components because that compression is getting out in a place that it's not supposed to. These have to be torqued. And any shady shop that isn't torquing them, you guys are the ones causing a lot of problems in the industry. You guys are cutting corners when you shouldn't. I gotta call you out because too many shops will just toss the plugs in, grab a wrench, sometimes not even bigger than a quarter drive ratchet, and think they can tighten them down to where they need to be. Wrong. They have to be torqued at 18 foot-pounds. If you go more than that, you could wind up breaking the plug inside the head or stripping out the threads. If you're less than 18 foot-pounds, it will allow compression to pass through the threads and out of the combustion chamber, a place you do not want compression to go. Give me a wrench emoji for that one. Give me a wrench emoji for that one, guys. Tighten these down, and then we're ready to move on. Awesome, awesome. That's how we do it. So now that we've done that, our spark plugs are torqued. I can take this socket off. I don't need it on to my torque wrench anymore. And pro tip for you guys, always back your torque wrenches down to where you bought the torque wrench. So if it's bottomed out at the bottom number, that's where you want to return it to because that's neutral for your torque wrench.